Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Fortnite and you keep getting this error, matchmaking error 1, we tried to put you in the matchmaking queue but something went wrong, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this matchmaking error 1 on Fortnite easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here settings, and then you're going to go into network and internet here, and here you're going to go into proxy, and here you're going to make sure that automatically detect settings is turned off. So just turn this off and make sure that you're not using any proxy or setup script, so turn those proxies off. And once you're done with the proxy settings, now what you're going to do is you're going to close this up. You're going to open up your start menu again. You're going to write here view network connections, and then you're going to click onto your network connection here. If you're on an Ethernet connection, it should say Ethernet. If you're on a wireless connection, it should say WLAN. You're going to click on your network connection, click change settings of this connection, go into Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties, going to use the following DNS server addresses, right here 1.1.1.1, and in here you're going to write 1.0.0.1, click OK again, and now you can go ahead and play Fortnite, and you'll see that you will not get that matchmaking error 1 anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.